And we're back with another knife review. It is the Bastion Flight. Start off by pulling this one out of the box. I see we got it in green with a nice satin finish. Alright, we'll start by overall. I like the handle there. It's not matched up perfect to my fingers, but it's pretty good. Not bad. Alright, we'll start off by saying that this is a D2 steel blade, dual thumb studs, and a flipper tab, stainless steel liner. Of course, it is a liner lock. 7.75 inches overall from tip to hilt. Blade length is 3.3 inches. Blade width is 0.875. The handle length is a shade under 4.5 inches. Ceramic ball bearing for the pivot, flat pivot cap. Knife weighs 4.1 ounces. Deep carry stainless steel pocket clip. Tip up carry. Has some jimping and grooves on the liner and on the scales. Down here also. Not sure how much they'll serve, but it's a nice thin blade. Utilizes the see-through chassis. Has 2 barrel spacers. Let's go ahead and grab some cutting material. Start off with this jute here. As you can see, it cuts right through that, as you would expect it to. Some paracord. Well, that's a very clean pullback cut. Almost no fraying at all. I don't even see any fraying, so we'll see how it does in the forward. Just a little bit there, but still cut right through it. Bring in some cardboard. As you can see, it cuts very smoothly, accurately. We'll do some wow. Without really much effort at all, it just cuts right through it. Alright, so once again, this is the Bastion Flight in OD green. It is a flipper, which you can one hand. Thumb stud for flipping. D2 blade, G10 handles. Weighs in at about 4 ounces. Deep carry pocket clip. For you people that are watching on Instagram, make sure you like our post and follow Atlantic Knife. We post lots of knife content daily. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We do a weekly show as well as tons of knife reviews. For the last time, this is the Bastion Flight. I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.